This is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma. Strong, durable, and dependable. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, privacy glass, and this vehicle has fewer than 68,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
For everyday low pricing on new and used Ford cars and trucks, visit Mac Haik Ford. We are located at 10333 Katy Freeway in Houston. You can reach us at 800-280-2375.